Combine harvester. Everything you should know. Commonly known as combine. Harvesting operations. Reaping, threshing, and winnowing into a single process. Harvesting crops in a single operational process saves time and reduces labor costs for farmers, increasing farm output and making the business more profitable. 3 major types. Self-propelled. Ideal for farms with tough soil. Widely used in India. Track. Very effective in areas where wheels are prone to becoming clogged. Commonly used to harvest rice and other wetlands crops. Tractor mounted. Propelled by tractors mounted on top of them. They work best on lands with loose soil and a large farming area. If you are interested in purchasing combine harvesters or knowing more about their functions, safety precautions, and technical specifications, get in touch with us at interstateheavyequipment.com.